So guys, you've probably came here wanting to, like it. Ooh. So, download a game with mobile VR station, or let's see, search File Explorer or Gorilla Dagger or Lemon Installer. Just when you're here, you want to find Configuration Wizard, click it. Then show all options. Then we don't want any of this. We want configure scoped storage. You don't need to do all of these. You just need to get the pop-up. You just gotta click Quest 2. You gotta click download. Then, Then you want to click on me little button there. Then, Then just go through with that and you should have a game. I didn't need SideQuest. Let's see here. I do not have SideQuest installed. Here's your game that you wanted. This is
Yo!
There's a player! Oh my god!
Man, you scared me.
Hey dude, I'm doing a video right now.
Same, I'm doing a video as well.
I'm doing a tutorial on how to download games with only using mobile VR station. I got this game using mobile VR station. So that's it, guys. Bye.
Using,
Bye. Guys, bye.